And he causeth all, both small and great, rich and poor, free and bond, to receive a mark in their right hand or in their foreheads, and that no man might buy or sell, save he that had the mark.
Kung wala kang mark na 666, hindi ka pwedeng bumili o magbili. Sa panahon din pong ito, wala pong makakapag-business na walang tatak.
2,000 years ago, the Bible foretold of these events. Amazingly, they're being fulfilled in the smallest detail before our very eyes.
Naniniwala po ako na ang paghubog ng cashless society ay paraan upang eventually magkaroon ng control sa mundo si Antichrist. Kapag wala ng cash at lahat ng transaction ay gagawin na lang through the bank, internet, and networks of computers, mas madali nang makokontrol o matetrace ang bawat tao. Sino mang may hawak ng sistemang ito, magkakaroon sila ng information tungkol sa buhay ng isang tao. Saan nagsha-shopping, ano-ano ang binibili.
There is no doubt the rapid increase in technology that we see, the internet, GPS, surveillance cameras, electronic identification, chip cards, national ID cards, is preparing the way for 666. And it's something we need to know, something we shouldn't ignore.
Ang ibig pong sabihin nito, yung control ni Satan nasa mundo na talaga.
From the makers of Hell is Real comes the special documentary on the future of money. You will know where we have been.
Noong unang panahon, tinatawag itong barter.
And where we are going.
Well, implanting humans with microchips,
tiny implants loaded with their personal information.
Doctors in our area are now recommending medical chip implants that they say could save your life.
Tonight, the great lengths people are going to implant radio frequency identification chips in their bodies.
The mark of the beast system in the future is slowly happening.
The FDA approved Verichip implants in humans last year.
Everything is being set up.
Bakit kailangan pang ibaon ang mga chips na ito?
And we are closer than we think.
Napakarami ng evidence. It is undeniable.
Be prepared. For 666 is real.